head. There might be some minute movement there. But it's almost like that one might be slightly domed over. Right, I'll use the scent punch. Put this on a bit of wood as well, I think. Right. There we go. Right, centre punch, I think. The problem is you end up pushing it out, so. Well, something's happening, but I think I might just scoot in there with a grinder and just tickle that top off. I don't think it's going to matter. It doesn't have to protrude as long as it goes in there. But I'm very fearful that's domed over for any reason at all. If I get in the right light I can see it. There it is. There it goes. Just wonder how old it is. Right, okay. Yeah, I think that pin was down, was slightly domed on the end. So that's the rack gear, which is no more than just itself. It simply sits in there and can't come out, so. These poor old blades are the thing that's gonna, I suppose, even if I did actually have to machine the outside of the blade, I've got shim material to pack it back out again. Because they are quite grubby. Right, let's see if these screws will come undone. I can't use the nuts to undo it because they're captive. I've got one clearly missing, but I'll tell you what. Let's just try. You never know. Oh, right, okay. Oh, there, look. Well, that's gonna. That is turning a little bit, and it's not moving the fixing. That one's, yeah, that one's loose. Yeah, okay, right. I'm sure I can get them undone. If they're going to be seized anywhere, it's purely on this metal here, not in the nut. One. So I'm going to make one of these, well, a pair, shall we say, a nut and a screw. It shouldn't be too much of a problem. Once I've worked out what thread that is. That one's loose as well. I'd imagine it's UNC. Ah, look. Paper. So that's a paper shim, effectively. Right, that's interesting. Okay. Right. Now, the question is, what to do about it? I think everything here is clean up. Oh. You know, I can probably just set this up and go over this really lightly. I think the best thing is actually to machine it rather than just wire wheel it. I don't know whether that's going to get it quite as usable. So the questions are what to do. The bulk of the cast iron I think I can just clean up. At worst, a very skim over. I might get electric wire wheel out and put it on the angle grinder and just see what happens. The blades are the biggest thing. Because I don't know if you can really see quite how bad they are. They really are quite nasty. So how would you go about cleaning these up? Anyway, right, okay. I'm going to put these all away, and I just might chuck them in some rust cleaner, rust remover. I'll have to get them decreased first. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Right, okay. So I think I'm going to go away and edit this video. If anybody's got any information, I'll have a look myself, but if anybody's got any information on these, it's got patterns but no numbers or anything. But no doubt the original box would have come with some paperwork in it that would have had all of that. Little oil hole there. I did think that was an oil hole, but yeah, that's what it is for sure. Right. Let's see what we can do. I'll edit this video and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. If I post this video now or as soon as I can, I've got no idea when I'll be getting onto it again, but there you go. You can see what's happening. So it might be a couple of weeks, might be 3 weeks, might be 4 weeks before the next video comes out. You'll have to bear with me. You'll have to subscribe, won't you? Haha. Right. Okay. See you in a minute.